Here it is, the 18th of October, and we're first day of harvesting corn. Dad got about 10 acres done, about, I don't know. Look, there's a bald eagle right there. America. Anyway, about 5 miles down the road that way, there's some down corn because there was a windstorm in September that had 75-mile-an-hour winds. So we got that first before, you know, it goes down anymore. So I guess that's what strong winds will do for you. So combine seems to be doing all right. It's just the head shell is what the kernels are mostly from that I can see. Because obviously the combine wouldn't really be spitting too much corn way out here like that one, but so yeah, I think I'm gonna film the rest of the regular harvest video tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know the last time that monitor has been calibrated. We've had this combine for 5 years and we never did it once, so it's 6+ years ago. I would assume it's within 25% of the actual yield, and the moisture is way off, obviously. So just sending it, you know. Well, this is the last time you'll see me in the combine tonight. I'm pretty sure when Dad's done with chores, he'll hop in the combine and I'll load. I think we're gonna run until midnight. I'll show you a clip here in a little bit of that, and then tomorrow we'll be going, hopefully. And yeah, all I can say is this time of year, when that sun drops, it gets dark like that, like no time. It can go from the sun just set to pitch black in no time. It's not quite pitch black, but it doesn't take long. Well, it's been a while since I had an update. Last time it was like 8 o'clock. Now it's almost 11 p.m. But I think if we run another hour, we're gonna get this bin pretty close to full. So one day, that's not bad. If it doesn't rain, we'll run the equipment up north and open all that stuff up there. We load it on semis and get it hauled out, but it takes a while to open all the fields up, so we might do that if it doesn't rain, but it probably will rain, I don't know. But well, next clip you'll find out what happens tomorrow. So it's Saturday, I think it's just past 11 a.m. and we're combining corn. We're gonna get this bin filled up here rather soon. All that's left is like this, I don't know, acre and a half. And everything out by these hay fields will be done. So all that is done down there. This strip is done. It's just that little one up there you left. So we We combined till 12:30 last night. They're still saying it's gonna rain at about 2 p.m. Looking at the radar, I don't really believe it, but we'll find out. I hope it doesn't rain.